Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about XFX Radeon RX and 600 XT graphics card. So friend, AMD's EIB partners are accepted XFX preparing to unveil two models, the RX 7600 XT SWFT 210 and the RX 7600 XT QICK 309. So friend, the AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT features the Navi 33 XT GPU containing 1048 stream processor. Similar to its processor, the Radeon RX 7600 an enhancement in this model include higher clock speed and the increased power draw with a thermal design power of 190 watt, and this model required two 8-pin PCIe power connectors, and the GPU also has an expanded memory of 16 GB GDDR6. Although it's continued to use a 128-bit memory interface. And friend, the XFX RX 7600 HT SWFT 210 model mirrors the feature of the Radeon RX 7600 SWFT 210 SKU with an added 8-pin PCIe power connector targeted towards budget-conscious consumer, and this variant maintains a dual-fan, dual-slot cooler design and does not include factory overclocking. Its accepted launch price aligns to AMD's suggested retail price of $329 and conversely, the second model is equipped with more sustainable cooling solution featuring a triple fan 2.5 slot design, and it includes factory overclock. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.